Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 free money apps that every South African must have in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our latest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first app that you definitely need to have in South Africa is Fiverr. Now, I've spoken about Fiverr in the past, but I really enjoy the website, or rather the app, and the benefits and the largely beneficial credits that it offers its viewers. Fiverr is a place where you can become a freelancer and you can offer pretty much any type of service that you are good at. If you want to draw pictures for somebody, if you want to do voiceover acting like I do, if you want to be a social media manager, pretty much whatever you can think of, you can find on Fiverr. If you want to make dance videos for people, animate videos, whatever skills that you feel like you have acquired that you feel as though you should be getting paid for, Fiverr is definitely the place for you. Now, a very quick disclaimer: even if you start out, even if you have the best quality service, you will start at the bottom just like everybody else. You will be indicated as a new seller, and you need to up your way and grind your way up to the top by doing more and more sales. So a few ways that you can promote yourself is by telling friends and family and just doing some online promoting. Once you get people who actually want to do your service and actually want your service, the more people you have, the more people you will actually get, because the more people read reviews. Another thing about Fiverr is that before I want to purchase a service from somebody, I always make sure I look at the reviews and the amount of money and the amount of people that say that this person is a good person and they are good at what they do. So the more people you get, make sure that you offer an excellent service. The more they say that yes, this person knows exactly what they're doing, then they will make more money. So if you do the same thing, then the formula could definitely work for you. So let's get on to the next app. Next app that you can use and that you definitely need to have in South Africa is Takealot. Now, Takealot, you may be wondering why. Takealot is an app where you can order things, right? Well, did you know that you could also become a Takealot driver? You could literally be those people who actually delivers parcels to houses and actually get paid for that. Now, unlike most jobs where you are delivering, you get paid by tips, Takealot employees have a guaranteed salary every single month. Now, I do not know what the salary is, but I know that it is a fixed income that every single Takealot employee makes. So, if you have a car or you don't have a car and you're interested in working for Takealot, you could easily go on the Takealot app and click on the Become a Driver section, and they'll just run you through the processes and what you need to do, and you can become a Takealot driver. So let's get on to the next app. The name of the next app that you definitely need to have in South Africa is called Zap Surveys. Now, I decided to add just a nice survey app because why not? I do it in every single video, so I decided let me also add a website where you can just do surveys. Now, Zap Surveys I've obviously spoken about in the past. It is a website where you complete surveys and you make money by doing those surveys. All you need to do is go on Google and type in Zap Surveys. Once you do that, you will get to the website. You can do some surveys, and that is just a nice quick way to make money. Not a lot of money, but you can make money. Even if it's just cents, you just know that you're in South Africa and these websites are based in the United States. The exchange rate just converts and you make way more money. So nothing more to say on that. I speak about surveys a lot on this channel, so you guys are quickly accustomed, so you guys are very used to that, so I don't think I need to go into too much detail. Anyways, let's get on to the next one. Next app that you definitely need to have in South Africa is YouTube. Now YouTube has to be the best app. If it wasn't for YouTube, you wouldn't be watching a video on the 5 free apps that every South African must have. YouTube is a very good app in terms of learning skills. If you want to learn how to sing, if you want to learn how to mix, if you want to learn how to pretty much do anything, you can literally watch a YouTube tutorial. And the good thing about this is that we are in a very lucky renaissance and a very lucky generation to experience such flourishing longevity, because long ago people needed to go do courses to learn very simple things that you can learn in 10 days or even 10 hours just by watching a few YouTube videos, and you can do it just with a little bit of practice. So YouTube is a very good app in terms of acquiring skills that you definitely need. So if you're thinking of learning things, YouTube is there. You can find anything on YouTube, guys. That is the best app. It is the best app in my opinion. It gave me a job, I have a job, and it gives a lot of creators a jobs. You can become a YouTuber. There's just too many opportunities and too many ways that you can actually utilize this to your advantage. So let's get on to the next one. The last app that you definitely need to have in South Africa is Bolt. Now, the same philosophy that works for Takealot works exactly the same for Bolt, but with Bolt you can make up to 4,000 Rand a week from transporting people. Now, I do not know how sure that claim is. I have not done Bolt myself, so I do not know how true it is, but the official website claims and says that you can make up to 4,000 to 6,000 Rand a week provided you are using your own vehicle. Now, if you do not have your own vehicle, then obviously you'll be using somebody else's vehicle and you won't be making that much money, because you'll obviously be sharing the revenue, kind of like a taxi type of situation. But if you have a car and you're just laying around and you don't know what to do with yourself, you could definitely do Bolt. It is not even a full-time job. If you only want to do it on weekends, you can do it. It's not one of those jobs where you are required to drive. You can stop at any moment, you can begin at any moment, and that is the best part about it. Now, there are a few requirements that are needed for Bolt. You need to have a clean criminal record, because we do not want thieves transporting our kids. You need to have pretty much everything that just makes sure that you're a very good and clean person and there's no shady things going on behind the scenes with you, and then they will hire you, no problem. Doesn't matter how old you are. Well, obviously you need to be 18, you need to have a license, you need to know how to drive, all of that stuff. Very basic things that I think everyone has, I would assume. So I feel like if you do that, guys, then you should be okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to this video. My name is Larry, and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. The giveaway is happening this month, guys. I'm seeing the comments and I'm very happy. The winner will be announced soon, so just keep on commenting and you might be the lucky one to walk away with it. So guys, I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.